power that packs in your pocket!
Hi there, this is Tets of Tets Toys and Shenanigans, and I'm here to review yet another Pocket Power toy. Designed for pocket convenience, this is the top spin thing. Comes with 3 little spinning tops, and I would gather that it would be used in a Beyblade type competition thing where you launch your spinning tops up against your mates. As you can see, it has little sticker decals on each spinning top. And this here is the launcher. This is a fairly basic little one, this one, but kind of fun nonetheless. On the back we have the ripcord. Now let's just pop these babies out and take out the ripcord. Took me a bit of a while to sort of work out how this thing works, because on your spinning top you have these little sort of catches here, and what they do is they hook underneath this little tab, and there's another one on the other side, like, oops, like so. So you can see the little wing piece there, and it slides underneath there, and then that way you can hold it up like this and launch the thing. However, the problem with that, I soon found, was although the theory is sound, I did thereby have issues of getting it out. So I have since discovered that what is required is you give it a rip on the ripcord and a well-timed finger in here to stop this thing spinning, and then with a bit of luck this just drops straight out. Okay, so here I am about to load the rip string into the toy. Because you launch it this way down, you need to make sure you align the rip string in with the inserty section, which is this one here. So as you can see, you get a lot of spin out of that thing as you do the ripper. If you load the string, the ripcord, sorry, in there with this, I can guarantee you that this will come out. Okay, so, and then put the zip, and you can see how it works. Now if you do it this way, it won't come out unless you knock it with your finger. Alright, so we'll load it in. Another thing. There, good idea. As you can see, it once actually gone to the effort of spinning, it spins for quite a while. Of course, this is a lovely solid piece of die-cast. Die-cast metal, in fact, as opposed to die-cast plastics. Right, I'll give that another try. One more try. Okay, yeah. That's the theory behind it. Still spinning. And stop. There we go. Of course, you can do that 3 times with each spinning one. I'm sure you could even make up points as well, so because you have different stars, so you get like a 2-star power, maybe a 3-star power and a 1-star power, and you have, you know, higher points for each different spinning top. But yeah, that's kind of cool. A little bit awkward to use. However, considering how it's designed for children, it might actually be easier to use if you have not big, fat adult fingers to get to it. And so there we go. That is the... there we go. There we go. That is the Pocket Power spinning top launcher set.